Hello, my name is V. Alekhya, roll number 20MI10058, and I am here to show you the disassembly and assembly of the voltage stabilizer, which is in a proper working condition. So, if we observe here, we can see that it is an electronic voltage stabilizer with high voltage cutoff, and we have output voltage, input voltage, working range and capacity also. In order to check if it is working or not, we can observe these two LED lights, which implies one is from input and one is from output. And now I will show you the inner parts of this voltage stabilizer after disassembly. To disassemble this stabilizer, here we have 4 screws which are to be removed. I will show you after disassembly. So here, this is the inner part of the voltage stabilizer, which is an electronic appliance used to feed a constant voltage to electric appliances like televisions, refrigerators, AC, in order to provide constant voltage and prevent them from damage due to the voltage fluctuations. If we observe here, this is known as auto transformer, and this is the printed circuit board, which is also known as PCB. It consists of capacitors, and we can see the resistors here, and it also consists of potentiometer and also the rectifier unit. As mentioned, a transformer is this device which transforms the input voltage into output voltage of different magnitude while maintaining the same power levels. So this auto transformer is a single winding transformer which works on the principle of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, and it consists of a single copper wire which is common in both primary and secondary circuit. This copper wire is wound a laminated silicon steel core and with at least 3 tappings. We can observe all the electrical circuit and wire connected between the transformer, potentiometer, rectifier unit and also this PCB. If this voltage is below or above a certain value, the appliance would damage. So we use this voltage stabilizer in order to prevent the damage and control the tripping. And this is the PCB, which is used to mechanically support and electrically conduct the electrical component using conductive pathways, and tracks and traces from copper sheets laminated onto a non-conductive substrate. We could also observe a rectifier circuit which converts AC supply into DC to power up this entire electronic control, as well as relay coils. So this voltage stabilizer performs boost and buck operations in case of increase or decrease of the voltage. And here is the input of our electronic appliance, and this is the entire connections made between each part of this stabilizer. Here we could observe the connections made between the transformer and PCB and also the complete electronic circuit. And here the main part is called this auto transformer, which contains only one winding, and it transforms the voltages. So this is one of the most useful electronic appliance which we use in our daily lives in order to prevent the damage caused due to the voltage fluctuations. and I will show you this after the assembly. So this is the whole mechanism of this voltage stabilizer, and after the disassembly and assembly we could here see it is still in the working condition. We could see the lights from the input as well as the output. So thank you.